To start, press any key. Where's the any key? Damn it! Go to hell!
Release the hounds!
Now you see that evil will always triumph, because good is dumb.
You're on fire!
What are you looking at, butthead?
Dum-dum.
Yes?
You give me gum-gum.
I give you gum-gum?
You do dum-dum, you give me gum-gum.
Gee, okay. You know what? I have no gum-gum, sorry. And my name isn't Dum-Dum. My name's Larry.
No, your name Dum-Dum.
Cheap, lying, no good, rotten, four-flushing, low-life, snake-licking, dirt-eating, inbred, overstuffed, ignorant, blood-sucking, dog-kissing, brainless, dickless, hopeless, heartless, fat-ass, bug-eyed, stiff-legged, spotty-lipped, worm-headed sack of monkey shit he is!
Well, you forgot to flip him off, but other than that, nice job.
Why don't you burn in hell?
If you love something and set it free, and it doesn't come back, you're a dumbass.
Oh! I can burp my ABCs!
A, B, Z.
Ah! Boogeyman! No! Woohoo! Look at that blubber fly!
What kind of mutant squirt are you, anyway?
Put me down! I don't like to be manhandled!
Damn it, this is starting to piss me off.
Would you please stop, because you are embarrassing me. I don't like to be manhandled!
I would never let a woman kick my ass. If she tried anything, I'd be like...
You're in big trouble, though, pal. I eat pieces of shit like you for breakfast.
You eat pieces of shit for breakfast?
No.
Mole, 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 mole!
You suck! I'm great! La da da da!
I wish you could just shut your big yapper!
Okay, children, let's start the day with a few new math problems. What is 5 times 2? Come on, children, don't be shy. Just give it your best shot. Yes, Clyde.
12?
Okay, now let's try to get an answer from someone who's not a complete retard. Anyone? Come on, don't be shy.
I think I know the answer, Mr. Garrison. Shut up, fat boy! Hey, don't call me fat, you fucking Jew!
Eric, did you just say the F word?
Jew? No, he's talking about fuck. You can't say fuck in school, you fucking fat ass.
Kyle!
Why the fuck not?
Eric!
Dude, you just said fuck again.
Stanley!
Who?
Kenny!
What's the big deal? It doesn't hurt anybody. Fuck, fuckity, fuck, fuck, fuck.
How would you like to go see the school counselor?
How would you like to suck my balls?
What did you say?
I'm sorry. Actually, what I said was... How would you like to suck my balls, Mr. Garrison? Holy shit.
I'm gonna kill you. What? I didn't mean it! Don't be angry!
No touching! No! You threw off my groove!
Okay, so what do we get when we multiply a negative number?
Dick tits!
When we multiply a negative number by another negative...
Shit! Asshole! Excuse me?
If we apply what we've just learned, we see that all negatives can...
Spooge, balls, bloody vaginal belch. You guys don't laugh. It makes me feel insecure about my illness.
Alright, kids, let's just try to focus on learning, okay? Now, all you need to remember here is that negative numbers...
Tampon! Tampon dick shit! Will you knock it off already? Kyle, don't you think I wish I could? I'd give anything to be normal like you. Cake! Don't push me, asshole!
Kyle, watch your language!
If I could yell tampon dick shit in the classroom, I'd be so happy.
Bitches love me cause they know that I can rock. Bitches love me cause they know that I can rhyme. Bitches love me cause they know that I can fuck. Bitches love me cause they know that I'm on time. Throughout the projects. Throughout the projects. Throughout the projects. Bitches love me cause they know that I can rhyme. Bitches love me cause they know that I can rhyme. Bitches love me cause they know that I can fuck. Bitches love me cause they know that I'm on time.